What if your kitchen could be your altar, your ingredients, your tools, and every recipe a reflection of your spiritual journey? I believe baking can be so much more than mixing ingredients. It can be a way to set intentions, practice mindfulness, and even connect with your higher self. Today we're baking with the energy of the Hanged Man, a card of surrender, patience, and seeing the world in a new light. Let's turn that energy into something delicious. Hi, I'm the Mindful Mage, and welcome to Tarot-inspired Kitchen Magic. This is where I blend my love for baking and tarot to create recipes infused with intention, symbolism, and just a little touch of magic. Today we're making Hanged Man Muesli bars, a nourishing treat inspired by the themes of reflection, balance, and patience. The Hanged Man teaches us to pause, surrender, and trust the process. In the same way, this recipe encourages us to embrace stillness and transformation, letting simple ingredients work together to create something extraordinary. Every ingredient we use carries its own energy, aligning perfectly with the Hanged Man's message. Let's explore them as we bake. Peanut butter represents nourishment and strength to sustain us through life's pauses. Here I'm using PB Fit mixed with a little water until it reaches this creamy, kind of runny consistency. I'm also using some fresh ground or fresh blended honey roasted peanut butter, which I got from my local grocery store. You can use whichever peanut butter you like. Next, you'll add to that honey or maple syrup. Both bring sweetness and harmony, reminding us to find joy in the process. And sometimes, although we don't like to hear it, trust the process. Each time that you stir to combine your ingredients, take a moment to enjoy the aroma and reflect on what you're grateful for today. This is your time to be present, to ground yourself, and really focus on your intention and what you would like to put into these muesli bars. You can completely make them your own. Remember, it's always about intention. Now add in your sunflower seeds, a reminder of optimism and light even in times of surrender. Also a reminder of happiness, honesty, and fertility. Add in your pumpkin seeds, which symbolize growth and potential, perfect for embracing new perspectives. And then flax seeds, a seed of transformation and balance, aligning with the Hanged Man's energy. And lastly, you'll add in your rolled oats, which are symbolic of grounding and stability, reminding us to stay centered during moments of stillness. Now remember, again, as you stir, this is a perfect time to let your intentions flow through you and into whatever you're making. Not just here with your muesli bars, but anytime you're in the kitchen, anytime you're cooking or baking or even just stirring your cup of coffee. Once you're done mixing, you'll want to use a flat dish lined with parchment paper and dump your muesli mixture into the dish Press it out as evenly as you can. It does help to oil your hands so they don't get too sticky. Once they're pressed out to your liking, cover it with plastic wrap and pop it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. You'll want to grab some good quality dark chocolate and pop that in a microwave safe dish and put it in the microwave on 15-second intervals until it's melted down. Dark chocolate represents an open heart and amplifies divine love. It also symbolizes the richness of wisdom gained through introspection. After about 30 minutes to an hour, you can take your muesli bars out of the refrigerator and start to slice them. Perfection wasn't exactly my goal here. I was just trying to get them as even as I could, but feel free to measure them if you'd like to be precise. You could either place your melted dark chocolate into a baggie or piping bag like I did and cut the tip to make it easy for drizzling, or you can use a spoon and still drizzle it over the top of your muesli bars. You can add as much chocolate as you like, completely cover them if you like, and then sprinkle them with a pinch of flaky sea salt to finish. And there you have it, Hanged Man Muesli Bars. A treat that reminds us to embrace stillness, find balance, and trust the beauty of transformation. If this recipe spoke to your soul, give it a like, share with a fellow tarot lover, and subscribe for more tarot-inspired recipes. Remember, every bite you take can connect you to something greater. See you next time.